Does the thought of creating a marketing strategy leave you feeling stuck and unsure of where to begin? You're not alone. For many business owners, crafting a clear, effective marketing strategy can feel like navigating a maze, but it doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll break down the key steps to building a marketing strategy that works for your business. Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and confidence to take your marketing to the next level. Let's get started. Step 1 is defining your goals. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing strategy? Do you want to drive more traffic to your website, boost online sales, or grow your social media following? Clear goals will guide your decisions and help you measure success. Step 2, know your audience. Who are your customers? What's their age, location, and income level? For example, if you're targeting millennials in California, platforms like Instagram or TikTok will work best. But if you're reaching professionals in New York, LinkedIn might be the better option. Tools like Google Analytics or Facebook Insights can help you gather this information. Step 3, pick the right channels. Each platform serves a unique purpose. Use Facebook and Instagram for visually driven content, TikTok for viral potential, LinkedIn for B2B networking, and Google Ads for reaching customers who are actively searching for your services. Step 4, focus on creating valuable content. This could be blog posts that solve common problems, engaging videos, or attention-grabbing social media graphics. The goal is to provide value to your audience while showcasing your expertise. The final step is analyzing your results and optimizing your strategy. Use tools like Google Analytics or Social Media Insights to track what's working and make adjustments for better results. Consistency and continuous improvement are key to success. Thanks for watching Digital Mouth Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable digital marketing tips. See you in the next video.